Looking for the smartest, most genius tools on Amazon that actually make your life easier? You're in the right spot. In this video, we're revealing 15 amazing tools that are blowing up on Amazon right now, and trust me, these aren't your average gadgets. From clever kitchen helpers to must-have DIY tools, these picks will save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Whether you love life hacks, want to upgrade your home, or just want to find tools that work smarter, not harder, this list is packed with game-changing Amazon finds you need to see. Let's dive in. Flush trim bits are essential for precise pattern routing and laminate trimming. Ultra shear, carbide-tipped bits offer an economical solution with cut lengths of 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 2/2 inch, and 2 inch, available in 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch shanks. Perfect for cutting boards, furniture, or compact routers. Each bit includes a rack bit storage base, compatible with wall-mounted racks or custom setups. Proudly made in Strongsville, Ohio, and sold directly to woodworkers. No middleman, just premium quality at a great price. Always cut right on the line. Installing or servicing doors often requires precision, strength, and an extra pair of hands. Busy Bob is a solid steel door lift that makes hinge door installation and servicing a true one-person job. Just slot your cordless drill into its hex drive shaft to raise or lower doors. No wedges or balancing acts are needed. It easily lifts up to 120 kilograms, ideal for heavy fire doors or expensive feature doors. Clamp and hold doors, shelves, or timber for sanding, planing, or hinge fitting. It also supports lock set fitting and allows you to safely work on existing doors. Busy Bob simplifies every step of the job. For professionals and DIYers alike, precision cutting in tight spaces or on-the-go jobs demands a tool that's both powerful and portable. The SKIL PWR Core compact cordless circular saw delivers power, portability, and precision in a lightweight, one-hand operable design. Its advanced brushless motor runs at 6,000 RPM, offering high performance and long-lasting durability. The 4.5-inch blade easily cuts through 2x4 boards at 90° in one pass and handles 45° bevel cuts on standard materials. An ultra-thin 24-tooth carbide blade ensures clean, accurate results. Built-in dust extraction keeps the cut line clear. Ideal for pros and DIYers, this compact saw offers cordless convenience without sacrificing cutting power, making it perfect for quick jobs, confined spaces, or projects that demand agility and performance. Handling heavy doors during installation or repair is often a two-person job, especially when precision work like hinge fitting or routing is involved. The AUX large door clamp is built for professionals handling heavy-duty door installations. Made from solid steel, it holds doors between 10 mm and 65 mm thick, perfect for tasks like hinge attachment, routing, hanging, or rebating fire doors. Felt-covered jaws protect surfaces, while calibrated springs and a welded foot pedal ensure quick, secure clamping. The clamp locks open or closed for easy loading and includes optional flip-out stabilizers for added balance. With its Dura-Grip handle for comfort and maneuverability, this compact yet rugged tool streamlines tough jobs. Save time, work smarter, and handle doors with ease. No bull, just AUX. Traditional tape measures can be inaccurate, awkward, and time-consuming, especially for long distances or complex measurements. The HOTO Smart Laser Measure modernizes this essential task, offering precision, speed, and convenience in one sleek device. Just point, click, and get precise real-time data instantly. Ideal for short and long distances alike, it connects to the MI Home app for seamless data sync, easy note-taking, and floor plan drawing. Want visual clarity? Snap a photo, draw lines, and mark measurements directly. Lightweight, smart, and incredibly easy to use. The HOTO Smart Laser. Measure transforms how you measure spaces. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this device brings simplicity and precision to every project. Measuring has never been so effortless. Precision is everything in woodworking. Whether you're flush trimming, duplicating patterns, or refining edges, a reliable router bit is essential for clean, accurate, and professional results without chipping or splintering. The SpeTool router bit is a must-have for pattern work and woodworking, offering outstanding precision and durability. Featuring a top and bottom bearing design, it minimizes abrasion and delivers smooth, chip-free cuts. With a 1/2-inch cutting diameter, 1/4-inch shank, and 1-inch cutting length, it ensures excellent chip evacuation and reduced heat buildup. At 2 3/4 inches overall length, it works seamlessly with handheld or benchtop routers. Made of industrial-grade steel and high-hardness carbide, it's perfect for cutting through chipboard, LDF, MDF, melamine, laminate, and hardwood. For clean, efficient trimming and routing, the SpeTool router delivers dependable performance on every project. When working with power tools like drills, grinders, or milling machines, stability is crucial for both safety and precision. A reliable clamp ensures your tools stay firmly in place, allowing you to work hands-free and focus on accuracy. The Wolfcraft Universal Clamp is a highly versatile solution for securing drills, grinders, and milling machines in stationary positions. Designed for flexibility, it offers 360-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical rotations, enabling precise positioning for a variety of tasks. Made from durable cast aluminum, this clamp ensures long-lasting performance and meets Euro standards with a 1.69-inch diameter compatibility. Its sturdy build is ideal for woodworking and other stationary applications, offering stability and control during detailed work. Whether in the workshop or on-site, the Wolfcraft Universal Clamp is a dependable companion for achieving clean, accurate, and safe results with your power tools. In automotive and construction work, precision spot welding is essential for strong, clean joins, especially on sheet metal. The Vario drill is a lightweight Variomatic spot welding tool designed to work with drills and most air compressors. It delivers an idle speed of 11,000 RPM with a 170 liters per minute airflow rate and operates at a noise level of 90 decibels. Equipped with specialized tungsten drills and a holder to prevent bit slipping, it ensures high-precision welding and surface preparation for further welds. Ideal for automotive body repairs and construction site tasks, this tool provides durability and efficiency for welding sheet metal and similar materials, making tough jobs easier and faster. Installing deck boards can be time-consuming and physically demanding, especially when trying to achieve a clean, secure fastening without visible screws. The CAMO Drive deck fastening tool simplifies the process, allowing for quick, precise, and hidden fastening while you stand comfortably, saving both time and effort on your decking projects. It works exclusively with CAMO proprietary fasteners, including collated edge screws for hidden fastening of treated wood, composites, and PVCs, collated face screws, and universal deck clips for groove decking. The tool pairs with a cam lever to straighten and lock boards before fastening. With easy bit changes and simple operation using a drill, it speeds up deck building. Its depth release clutch ensures perfect screw placement every time, making deck installation faster and more efficient. Creating strong and precise pocket hole joints in woodworking can be time-consuming and repetitive, particularly for larger projects or professional jobs. The Kreg Foreman professional-grade pocket hole machine addresses this by providing a fast, easy, and precise way to drill pocket holes, helping both pros and hobbyists save time and effort while ensuring a high-quality finish. Its 110-volt motor and easy one-handed operation create perfectly placed pocket holes in materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. The built-in dust collection keeps work areas clean, while adjustable fences and stops ensure consistent, repeatable results. Despite its lightweight design, just 20 pounds, it offers a large table for stability and quick bit changes. Supporting standard, micro, and HD Kreg joints, the Foreman offers unmatched versatility and convenience, bringing the speed and precision of professional-grade pocket hole joinery to any workshop. The Makita cordless grease gun is essential for professionals and DIYers needing fast, thorough lubrication of machinery and equipment. It provides robust and efficient lubrication with a maximum pressure of 10,000 psi and 2-speed settings for versatility. Powered by a reliable lithium-ion battery, it can deliver up to 290 milliliters per minute, ensuring quick and effective grease application even in tight or high-resistance areas. The tool includes a start-stop lock for continuous operation and features a reinforced hose for durability and easy maneuvering. Weighing just 11.3 pounds, it can handle pre-packaged cartridges and manual fills, making it adaptable for various maintenance tasks on vehicles, machinery, and industrial equipment. On demanding job sites, managing power distribution and lighting can be a real challenge. The Klein Tools Power Hub is a durable and versatile power center designed to meet the needs of even the toughest environments. It features 6 OSHA-compliant 120-volt outlets with built-in surge and short-circuit protection, ensuring safe and reliable power for your tools. Along with the standard outlets, it includes 4 USB ports for convenient charging of mobile devices. The Power Hub also comes equipped with a powerful, adjustable 5,000-lumen LED flashlight that can be anchored to provide optimal lighting in dark work areas. Its rugged frame includes easy-carry handles and built-in cable organizers, making it easy to transport and set up. This all-in-one solution enhances safety and efficiency by combining power distribution and lighting in a single compact unit. Handling and securing materials can be difficult and unsafe. The Worx Pegasus folding work table and sawhorse solves these issues by providing a sturdy, multi-purpose platform that securely holds materials with its integrated clamping system. It easily folds down for quick storage and transport, making it perfect for any job site or workshop. Supporting up to 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, it offers flexibility and strength. Plus, multiple units can be linked together to expand your workspace. With included clamps, clamp dogs for unique shapes, and a handy storage shelf, the Pegasus keeps your tools and supplies organized and your projects moving smoothly. Introducing the RYOBI 80-volt HP lawn tractors, equipped with advanced HP technology that delivers more power than a 23-horsepower gas tractor. Featuring up to 4 brushless motors and 3 80-volt 10-amp batteries, this tractor can cut up to 2.5 acres on a single charge. The innovative cross-cut multi-blade system uses 6 steel blades for superior cutting performance, producing finer clippings and even side discharge. Its integrated front and rear storage compartments, along with universal 2-in front and rear tow hitches, make it incredibly versatile. The onboard LCD screen allows you to adjust blade and drive speeds and monitor runtime. Plus, with the RYOBI Riding Mower app, you can track charge status and get back to full power quickly using the included hypercharger. Nationwide support from certified RYOBI RXT field specialists ensures your tractor stays in top condition, conveniently serviced right at your home. The RYOBI 80-volt HP lawn tractor redefines power, efficiency, and convenience for modern lawn care. Standard screwdriver bits wear out quickly and break under high torque, causing interruptions, extra costs, and frustration, especially for professionals who demand durability and reliability on the job. Makita Impact XPS Bits are engineered specifically to handle the extreme torque demands of professional users across all trades. These bits last up to 90 times longer than standard bits thanks to Makita's perfected torsion zone design. The pulsed torsion rings disperse impact energy throughout the torsion zone and away from the bit tip, reducing stress and preventing premature failure. Tested head-to-head with standard bits, the Impact XPS bits outlast competitors significantly, providing longer life and improved performance under tough conditions. With Makita Impact XPS bits, you get superior durability and reliability, keeping your work moving efficiently without constant bit replacements.